All right, folks, here are the answers, 6 answers that we have on homework today. If you're in class, I want you to follow along with our discussion. If you're at home, please follow along with the video. So on problem number 1, we were setting up the tangent because we had the opposite leg and the adjacent leg. And I think on almost all these problems today, we're using tangent. The algebra might look a little different, but like on this one, x is in the denominator of our ratio. And I want you to think about switching the location of where x and the tangent of 25 are. See how I just switched their locations? And you might say, well, that can't be legal. Well, look, if we cross multiplied here, wouldn't we get x times the tangent of 25 and 1 times 30? So let's just compare these two ratios for a second, the top one and the second one, okay? I would get x times the tangent of 25 equals 30 here. And if I cross multiplied here, I get x times the tangent of 25 equals 30. So I get the same exact equation, right? But doing this on the second equation, the second proportion would be unnecessary, right? I don't need to do this. Boom, put a slash to that because I got x all by itself. I've got 1x over here. So all I need to do is 30 divided by tangent 25, and that's going to give me the 64 answer that we have. So you got to remember, these are the answers. You may want to put it on pause, check your answers, and then I'm going to go through the setups for each one of them, and you see if you can get the correct answer back there, okay? So the correct setup on number 2 is tangent of x equals 26.5 over 110 because they say this person is 6 feet tall. The height of the water tower, I think it is 32.5, so we got to take 6 off the 32.5 to get the 26.5. On number 3, it's the tangent of 55 equals 30 over x. And this is one of those that you can switch the location of tangent 55 and x. The next one, number 4, we've got tangent of x equals 95 over 60 because that person's 5 feet tall. The tower or the bridge or whatever it is 100 feet tall. And so we got to take 5 feet off that 100 to get 95. And then inverse tangent, of course, on that one back there, right? We want to go inverse tangent of 95 over 60. Let me write that down real quick, just in case you're like, wait a minute, how is he getting that? So I get inverse tangent of 95 over 60, okay? And the next one, 85.5. So this angle of depression is the same as the angle of elevation, right? We want this x value right here. And I need an angle inside the triangle, right? So these are alternate interior angles. And then you got to do the inverse tangent of 85.5 over 122. And then on number 6, x is my adjacent leg. 120 is the opposite leg. So we got opposite over adjacent. And this is, again, that situation where you switch the x and the tangent of 19 and just put down x equals 120 divided by the tangent of 19. All right, hope I made all that clear. Thanks for watching.